Hello and welcome to my video, where I'm going to quickly show you how to fold a napkin into a fan. Since I was a kid, I never left a restaurant without folding a napkin into something, so I thought I'd show you a few techniques on my channel for a bit of fun. All you need is a napkin, and the first thing you need to do is open out one fold so you have a long double layer rectangle, like so. Then you need to fold all but a few inches of this napkin into a concertina. So fold no more than about an inch over. Then fold the same amount underneath and repeat this along the napkin. Note that I make 2 folds at a time for speed purposes, but you could make a single fold, turn the napkin over, make another single fold and repeat this over and over. Try and make the folds as evenly spaced as you can, and stop when you are about 3 inches from the end. The more folds you make, the more pleats that will be in your finished fan. Then position the napkin so the stack of folds is underneath, and then fold it in half like so. Pick up the unfolded edge and place it under one half of the folds. Basically, you're tucking it into the centre of the fan. You should then be able to hold this triangle shape you've made and release the concertina to create a fan display. And that's it. That's how you make a napkin into a fan. I really hope you enjoyed this video and thank you very much for watching.